guys. Hi guys, hello everyone. कैसे हो आप सब लोग? How's your weekend going? Thank you guys for the compliments. Sorry for being so late. I was planning to come around 9:30 but late हो गया मुझे as usual. हमेशा late हो जाती हूँ हर चीज़ में. I don't know why. I was actually getting ready. I'm almost ready, yeah. Doll. Love you, thank you. There are a lot of comments. So some are really funny. Okay guys, thank you for all the compliments. I'm wearing this white one piece tonight. It's a bodycon dress and really cute. This is how it looks. Oops. Yeah. I love short white dresses because I think it looks super good on me. I think all the dresses looks good on me. Thank you guys. Love your heart. What does that mean? Not all colors look good on you, then कौन सा वाला अच्छा लगता है ज़्यादा? When are you coming live in a bikini? I won't ever come live in a bikini, to be honest. I mean on Instagram. On my app, I do almost every 8 days. What's the camera? दूसरा स्टैंड लेना पड़ेगा. I hope you guys like my outfit. You're stunning. Thanks. Your everyday meal. So I'm a full-time non-vegetarian, as you all know, guys, that I love non-veg. I mean, who doesn't? But मेरा everyday का like chicken रहता है, eggs रहता है, so that's what I eat. I don't eat sabzi rotis anymore. Okay. So you all know purpose of coming live on Instagram, that I always come live to announce my app live. No, I'm not sweating. I don't know. क्या दिख रहा है आपको? You're looking dope. Thanks. Everyday live नहीं आ सकती guys. I can't come live every day. I don't smoke, guys. I don't smoke. There are no discounts currently on membership. मतलब last जो Valentine का था वही था. Let's see, maybe I'll put some discount on Holi or something. Holi भी शायद हो सकता है, but I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm waiting. Sorry, ज़्यादा वेट करवाने के लिए. Show you something new. Let me stand up. Dark background always makes you fair, so I'm just gonna sit this side. When will be the sari live? Sari live मैंने अभी sorry guys, सारी लाइव अभी मैंने प्रीवियसली किया था. आई थिंक 3-4 लाइव्स के पहले ही मेरा साड़ी लाइव था. बट या सून आई बी डूइंग सून. आई विल डेफिनेटली अपडेट यू. सो टुनाइट्स लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग theme is, I mean the outfit theme is very simple but super hot. It's better than most of outfits. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm planning to wear in tonight's live streaming on my app. So it's a navy blue satin silk shirt. It's super soft and loose. Yeah, it's a loose shirt and it looks super good. You see the color is also amazing. So the combination is shirt and thong. So I'm just gonna wear shirt and thong or something. I have 2 thongs. So yeah, that's the combination for my tonight's live streaming. Okay, comments. I can see comments. Yeah, now I can see. So yeah, it's gonna be super hot because I'm only going to wear the shirt, nothing inside, and I'm just gonna keep one button and all others unbuttoned. कर्टन के साथ मैच हो जाएगा आज लग रहा है. So I have like 2 thongs. One is baby blue and one is like grayish blue है ये थोड़ा. So I'm a bit confused. Let's see. So this is the combination for tonight's live streaming. It's gonna be super hot because I'm only going to wear the shirt, guys, nothing inside. Any questions? आप कौन से जिम में जाते हो? कब से कमेंट देख रही थी मैं, बट आई कांट डिस्क्लोज दैट, सो सॉरी गाइज. बट यू विल नो डेफिनेटली. मैं रील्स वगैरह डालती रहती हूँ, कैन चेक आउट. मैं अपने मुंह से तो नहीं बोलूंगी, बट वेयर बिकिनी लास्ट मेरा लाइव लॉन्ड्री में था. उससे पहले आई थिंक इट वाज इन काइंड ऑफ बिकिनी और समथिंग. मतलब हर बार मैं डिफरेंट ट्राई करती हूँ, यू नो, एवरी टाइम डिफरेंट आउटफिट्स. So this time it's different, but surely it's gonna be super hot because काफी लास्ट टाइम मैंने शर्ट में लाइव किया था सॉरी, आई थिंक जून में किया था. आई डोंट इवन रिमेम्बर. आई थिंक जून में किया था, या जून में किया था लास्ट. उसके बाद से लेके अब जाके मैं लाइव कर रही शर्ट में. उस टाइम में भी आई डिड लाइव इन शर्ट एंड थॉन्ग. इट वाज सुपर हॉट. Why do you come live in a hotel? Because that's the best option for me. I need some privacy as well, right? So obviously back. And also guys, I have posted some latest picture collection on my app for my members. I'm in a subscription, you can check it out. It's in a lingerie, pink lingerie. And apart from that, there is I have uploaded my Valentine live streaming as well, so you can also check that out. It's super hot. And apart from that, I've also posted my latest video of me getting massage. So yeah, it's super hot. You know, I post a lot of exclusive content on my app guys, and a lot of you don't know about it, so that's why मैं हमेशा लाइव में आके बोलती हूँ, so you can get an idea what kind of content I'm posting on my app. So live जो है मेरा वो स्टार्ट होने वाला है 11:15 को. आई एम डूइंग लाइव एट 11:15 टुनाइट. मतलब अभी तो 1 घंटे के ऊपर मतलब टाइम है अभी थोड़ा सा. Wear black bra and blue jeans. Yeah, that's a good combination. I will. जब बाइक के साथ शूट करूँगी, I have plans to do shoot on a bike or something. अच्छा वाला मतलब स्पोर्ट्स हो गया है. But yeah, I have black bra right now, which I'm just gonna wear in starting and then I will take it off. So yeah, it's a good idea. Where is Divya? She's at home. What are you wearing tonight in your life? I think I already showed you the outfit, right? I mean, it's a short, loose short. It's gonna be loose short and the thong, combination of thong. So only shirt and thong, because a lot of users were demanding me to do live in thong. So yeah. Let me show you. This is quite small, short one piece. Chair is even shorter. इतना ज़्यादा छोटा चेयर बनाते मेरे ऊपर. Yeah, it's good. Very much comfortable. So yeah guys, आप लोगों में से अगर किसी ने भी मेरा वैलेंटाइन लाइव मिस कर दिया, you can check out again because I reposted on my app. So even if you have missed it, you can still watch. You take off those clothes on live? Yeah, I mean, oh god, अभी भी मैं मेन अकाउंट से लाइव नहीं जा पा रही हूँ guys due to some guidelines. That's why I am using my backup account to go live. Oh, Instagram's guidelines. Mommy come to Dubai. I'm not your mommy. Come on. But if it's as a compliment, then yeah, I mean, we are planning soon. Let's see. In next 1 or 2 months or something. Let's see. I'm not sure yet. वैसे तो Feb में ही plan कर रहे थे, but due to some other reasons, we had to cancel. Dresses. लाइव स्ट्रीम के लिंक कहाँ है? लिंक नहीं है. आई एम माई ओन ऐप गाइज. आप डायरेक्टली गूगल प्ले स्टोर ऐप स्टोर में जाके सर्च करेंगे. यू विल गेट माई ऐप, डाउनलोड माई ऐप, देन सब्सक्राइब to the membership, and then you will be able to join the live stream. Where's my water? क्या आप टेलीग्राम पर भी लाइव आओगे? नो, आई हैव नो प्लान्स. इसे टेलीग्राम पे लाइव भी जाते हो? मुझे नहीं पता था. चैनल बना के तो रखा है where you can get all my updates. Are you in Hillock? No, it's not Hillock. It's a different one. Hillock के लिए मैं शूट के लिए जाती हूँ मोस्टली, बट फॉर लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग इट्स टू फार. मतलब मुझे जल्दी जाना पड़ेगा एंड आई एम ऑलवेज लेट, यू नो. I always look for the hotel which are near by my home, so I don't get late. बाकी shoots होता है तो पूरे दिन से हम चले जाते हैं. 360. I will show you before I leave. Don't worry. म्यूजिक इसलिए नहीं बजा रही बिकॉज यू नो अगेन इंस्टाग्राम पे पता नहीं क्या ही प्रॉब्लम है भाई. मतलब कुछ म्यूजिक लगाते हैं तो भी गाइडलाइंस आ जाती है. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट. प्लीज शो मी act in web series. I'm very bad at acting, to be honest. Very bad. मतलब मुझे एक्टिंग आता ही नहीं है. Something blue is visible. I'm also wearing blue thong. I have 3 blue thongs. I'm wearing like one I'm already wearing it. I'm not wearing any shorts right now, so maybe देख क्या होगा, but never mind. I post pictures in bikini, so doesn't matter for me. I need to change my eye color as well soon because I'm not liking this one. It's very much faded now. You can see highlights तो दिख ही नहीं रहे. All yellow. I will go again for the copper or something. Copper या burgundy. What do you guys say? कौन सा अच्छा लगेगा, burgundy या copper? Big fan of your from South. Thank you. I'm very excited for the live streaming tonight. Where are you now? I'm at hotel. You Gujarati or Bengali? Bengali. I'm Gujarati, guys. Gujarati. Any more questions, guys? Let me show you my mirror view. So here I'm sitting. Oh, मुझे नहीं पता था लाइव में भी मिरर में भी जूम कर सकते हैं. सॉरी, फोन में. It's good. बाल भी काफी लंबे हो गए मेरे. I need to keep them more short. गुजराती लगती नहीं. So नहीं लगती, I know. और अच्छा है ना, नहीं लगती because I don't wanna look Gujarati at all. I had my dinner. आने से पहले ही डिनर कर लिया मैंने. Say something in Gujarati. I am too shy to speak Gujarati in front of you all. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता है. घर पे बोलती हूँ बट ऐसे नहीं बोलती इतना. tattoo किधर है? Tattoo all hidden. But if you want to see my all the tattoos, you can join on my app. You can see a lot of content on my app. Almost सब में tattoo visible है सारे. Just a second, guys. अरे यार शिट, क्या फिल्टर लग गया, अब इसको कैसे हटाऊं मैं? हाउ टू मेक दिस नॉर्मल अगेन? अरे यार, अरे यार कैसे लग गया ये? इसको कैसे हटाना है वो मुझे भी नहीं आता है. शिट मैन, लुक्स सो बैड. अरे यार, ना गंदा लग रहा है ये. कैसे हटाऊं इसको मैं? ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. Fuck. क्या यार, इंस्टाग्राम बिना पूछे फिल्टर. हाँ, थैंक गॉड मिल गया. ना बेकार था नहीं, क्या ही था. Finally, it's good now. Weight कितना है आपका? So what do you think? How much I weight? You guess and I will let you know if you're right or wrong. I think it's no, guys, I'm not married. I'm young, 25, and I have no plans to get married. No, it's not 62. It's 60, in between 68, 69. Not 70 kgs also, like it's in between 68, 69. So nearly 70, but not 70. अभी रिसेंटली गेन किया है मैंने. अदरवाइज लास्ट ईयर आई वॉज अराउंड 63 kgs और समथिंग. 63, फिर 65 हुआ, 67 हुआ, एंड नाउ. But I don't like myself too lean. So that's why I don't want to lose weight. Like from certain body parts, yeah, I want to, but not completely overall. Not because I'm 25, guys. 25. Sari live soon, guys. Very soon. But this one is also hot, guys. You can join. It's gonna be super hot. Something different. So You want me to stand up? This way you can see my one piece clearly. 360. Okay guys, so I think it's time to leave. Almost आधा घंटा हो गया मुझे live आए, so I'm gonna leave now. तब तक आप डाउनलोड कीजिए मेरा ऐप and subscribe. And I'll see you on my app. जिन लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया at 11:15 PM tonight on my app live. And you can also check out my content guys जो मैंने अभी post किया है, and also the Valentine live streaming if you have missed, and other content as well. What's your height? I'm 5'3" guys. I'm 5'3" and जो weight है it's 68, in between 68-69, not even 69, not even 68, it's in between. Okay guys, चलो आउटफिट तो मैंने दिखा दिया आपको ऑलरेडी. इफ आपको फिर से देखना है, यू कैन चेक आउट ऑन माई ऐप ओनली. ऐप पे भी मैंने डाल रखा है एंड टेलीग्राम चैनल पे भी डाल रखा है. सो गाइस कैन चेक आउट एंड या थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आई सी यू ऑल इन नेक्स्ट लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग. Take care and yeah, thank you for all the love and support guys. Bye. See you on my app. Bye.